In English, we can express the simple past tense, either with was or with were. I was a doctor, but you were a teacher. You can do the same thing in Basque, but with more specific forms. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. Isan is a very irregular verb, which just means it needs a lot of special attention to memorize. For the intransitive form of isan, the past tense is used just like the present tense to indicate identity and quality. There was a table. The table was big. The past tense of isan conjugates as follows. I was, ni ninsen. He, she, or it was, urasen. We were, gu ginyan. You were, su sinyan. You all were, suek sinyeten. They were, ayak siren. Did you notice anything that these forms all have in common? They all end in the letter N, which can be a good indicator for the past tense form. Try out my practice video on the past tense of isan. Practicing makes your brain work in Basque. Thanks for watching. Agur!